That black yo magic, 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 black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo, look at that black yo.
What's up, kings and queens? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you already know what it is. My name is Janisha, for those who may or may not know, and this is another video. Hair is freshly washed, and I want to do something called, well, I don't know what it's called, but I got my inspiration from a YouTuber called J Mayo on YouTube. And yes, I'm going to try it on my hair. Let me just take my thing off so y'all can see what's going on with it. So yes, I caught myself trying to detangle my hair and stretch it before I start doing my hair. So on this side, I did like twists and put it in a ponytail stretch. And you know, on this side, your girl got lazy. Yeah, I got lazy and I just do them things in a ponytail. So right now, all I have on my hair is conditioner, meaning leave-in conditioner, just a spray. That's it. Oh, let me show you where to wash my hair. So I wanted to do just a co-wash, but it didn't work out that way, because you know, bottles look the same. So like, I had one in for my Pantene conditioner, and it was 2 white bottles underneath the cabinet. So I was like, all right, this one says shampoo, so the other one is conditioner. But I ain't pay attention, like, so I ended up like shampooing my hair. So I used this Pantene shampoo, and for conditioner, you already know what I used. I use my Herbal Essence Deep Moisture Hello Hydration Shampoo, and it really hydrates. And then I tried a new product this time. Like, I tried the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Conditioner Curls Deep Conditioner, and it's just supposed to leave it on there for 3 minutes. So yeah, and at first I didn't think this product was gonna work out for me, because like when I first put it on, nah sis, it wasn't working out. So yeah, so those are the products that I use. Trust me. So y'all hear that? But it's detangled though. That's all that matters. So I think I'm just gonna work on one side first. They're flat twists, and I'm gonna do one off camera just to see if your girl still got it, because I haven't did flat twists in so long. It's been I have done this hairstyle before, and I'm gonna leave a picture right there so y'all can see what it looked like the first time I did it. And I'm pretty sure it won't come out the same, because it never does. Like, you expect it to, but it never does. So yeah, I'm gonna do one off camera just to show you, to see if I still have it, and then I'll come back to show y'all. Alright, I am back, and let me tell you, your girl still got it. So I'm gonna show you, I had to section it off first before I twist it, because me just going in and twisting it, it wasn't working out for me. So I already parted this side off and everything, and I did this twist already. So I'm gonna show you how I parted it on this side. Right here, I'm gonna be looking in the mirror right here, but you gonna still be able to see me on camera. So first you wanna take your little puff ball off. And y'all, look, I didn't realize this, but like when I first did this style, my hair was not long at all. I didn't have no hang time, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with the ends of my hair. We gotta figure something out though. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to part another one of these right there on this side. First, you want to make sure your hair is like really detangled. Well, at least detangled enough so you can part it. So alright, so you got that. show you the back. I'm pretty sure that back is not perfect, so. Alright, so after you part this section, you're gonna take your rat tail comb and you're gonna go. I'm going to first start off by spraying some water on it. It's already damp, but I'm just going to spray some more water so it can be easier to comb. Then you're gonna take your Eco Styler gel, and then you're gonna make sure look sis, make sure you keep that hair detangled, okay? Like that's gonna make your hair not make your hair. It's gonna make your time go by like this. I don't know. I can't keep my hair detangled. Like it won't stay detangled, but I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know, maybe it's my ends. So I always just go through and comb it again and again and again and again and again. So right now I'm going to take the Eco Styler gel and I'm going to put it along the parts of my hair. Then once I feel like it's getting tough for me to grab it, I always comb it out some more. And if you have thick hair like I do, your arms will hurt. Well, my arms hurt. And it doesn't help that my hair is so short either. Two-strand twist, thirdest. So I got a little hang time. Here. So you're going to take the front piece right this and you're going to split it in two. So it is like a two-strand twist, but you're just connecting it to your scalp like you're doing cornrows. But instead of braiding, you're going to be doing a twist. So you take the two and you start off by twisting it like this. And you just keep going and you add hair. I normally add hair with my middle finger when I twist. So add hair like that. You grip it from this side. See this part? This finger, you gripping it from under. Add hair. Add hair. Like, so once you get used to it, like, it's gonna be really easy. I don't know what else I can say to explain how to do it. But yeah, girl, that's just how I do it. I don't know how I learned how to flat twist, but I know I learned it from YouTube because I learned how to do everything from YouTube. and this is the almost finished look. You know, you got the two in the middle. I feel like it might be a little cricket, but oh well. And this is how it looks in the back. I can't see the back. Look, hold on, let me give me a mirror. Okay. Alright, good night, you guys. And I will see you in the morning. Alright, you guys. This is the final look. I just laid my edges. And I'm going to keep my hair like this for a couple of days. What's that name? Today is Wednesday, so I might take this out Friday. I'm not sure what's going on. I don't know what to do. I hope that look okay, and if it don't, I gotta figure out what to do. But yeah, so all you have to do with this hairstyle, if you have hair accessories like the gold cuffs and things, you can put them on your head. I don't have any right now, so I just laid my edges and put some hoops on, and you good, baby girl, you good to go. And so yes, thank you guys for watching my video, and if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, you know, so you won't miss any of my uploads. All right, thank you. Bye.